Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be finishing off Mary Jane's Last Dance. Alright, so we got the guitar solos. You're going to have your ring finger barring on the 7th fret on the G and the B string, and you're going to do a little bit of a bend with it. So, and then you're going to pull it back down, and then pull it off to your pointer finger barring on the 5th fret, same 2 strings. So it sounds like this. And then you got this note right here, back to these, and then back to the bend. And then you do the same exact thing, but then you end like this. And that's that part, so it goes. And you can kind of throw in some chugs in there if you want to, and you can get a little bit of extra picking in there, so. However you want to play it. Now we got the solo, so you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to do a lot of sliding on the B string. The 3rd fret, slide up to the 5th. While you're doing this, you're hitting the E string on the bottom the whole time, so it goes. So you're sliding up to the 8th fret there, the 10th fret, and then 12 back to 10. So this is what it sounds like. And now, what I like to do is I like to do a kind of a double slide thing right here. So you got your ring finger right there, and your middle finger right there on the G string, and you're going to slide them both up. And then slide it back down, and then you're going to slide this to where both fingers meet up on the 5th fret right here. So it's the same 2 strings, which is the G and the B. So it goes like this. And then you got this little slide, and then this little hammer-on dealy bob, or you could slide it. It's up to you. Right there with your middle finger, and you're hitting the G and the B this time, and then open while you keep your pointer finger on the B, and then back. And then the second solo, it's towards the end of the song. It does another one of these things. And then it kind of goes back to the slidey thing, but it turns into bends. Ring finger bending on the 8th fret as much as you can on the acoustic. I know it's going to be hard. Pointer finger right there, so you're kind of matching to the note that you're bending to. So, same note, right? So it slides up to here, and then it goes. And then you got your middle finger on the 7th fret on the G string sliding up to the 9th. Pointer finger right there. It's something like that. Definitely work on those double stop bends. It's a little difficult at first, but you'll get used to it. I love that Dorian mode. It sounds just super cool, rock and roll, you know. Good luck, sir.